A great product to help you work smarter, not harder on your UTV is by adding some large side mirrors to your machine, and the large folding side mirrors from Seizmik are your perfect solution. The bolt-on aspect of these mirrors really sell me. With an adaptive 360 bracket, these mirrors will attach to just about any machine with angle roll cage pillars, like you'll find on Polaris and Can-Am models. The ball and socket design for attaching the mirrors to the bracket really allow you to find the sweet spot. Once mounted, these mirrors are built to work. The 7x4-inch convex mirror is made of shatter-resistant safety glass, but you're not going to have to worry about that since they are designed to fully break away during impact. And the housing is made of high-impact ABS plastic. They come with pairs, come with everything you'll need to mount them, and fit a wide variety of UTVs, specifically Polaris and Can-Ams and a few models in between. So be sure to use the Kirk My Garage tool at the top of the website. Type in your ride, you'll find the exact part number for your needs.